Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Split screen in Minecraft lets up to 4 players share one local screen. Bedrock Edition on consoles supports split screen play, while Java Edition does not support local split screen. You must use a display set to at least 720p resolution for stable split screen performance. Every player must have a controller or compatible input device connected to the console or device. Sign into profiles when prompted so each player has a character. This establishes local multiplayer and enables the split screen view automatically. First, connect your console to a TV and set display to 720p or 1080p for best results. Launch Minecraft Bedrock and have the primary account open or create a world in single player. When the world is loaded, additional players press the controller join button to connect. On Xbox, press X, on Nintendo Switch, press A, and on PlayStation, press X for the controller to join. Make sure each controller is paired, and each player signs into a profile for character selection. If split screen runs slowly, lower the render distance to 8 chunks or 4 chunks to improve frame rates. Disable fancy graphics and turn off clouds and smooth lighting to reduce GPU load. Use 720p resolution for smoother performance if your TV or console struggles at 1080p. If players cannot join, confirm each controller is paired and each account is signed in on the console. Also ensure Minecraft is updated to the latest Bedrock version and restart the console if issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.